Hey guys, so just going to add some integrals together. I just wanted to show you something that you may or may not be aware of. So let's just make up one. Let's say we go from 0 up to 1. Let's make the function a nice easy one. 2x dx. Now, the thing that I wanted to show you was if you wanted to add this to another integral, let's have a look and see what happens if you now press the plus button. So we're going to go and press plus. It seemed to look okay. Let's try this. Oh dear. I was going to try and put a second integral in there, and strange things have happened. Okay, well, how do we avoid this happening? Well, that's what I'm going to show you. Let's go through the same thing again. So press integral. We're going to go 0 up to 1. We're going to do 2x dx. But this time, we got to this point before, but this time we're going to come down to our right arrow, and we're going to press it. You'll notice that the cursor here is a small cursor, but when I press the right arrow down here, it becomes a big one. That's the key. Now it will work. So now let's add another integral. Let's go, oh, I don't know, 2 up to, let's just make up something, 4. Let's just make this x squared, so it's a different function. And we just do a dx in there, and we do enter, and now it actually works. So the key is, when you're adding integrals together between the two, make sure you press that right arrow button, and you will find that it will work properly. Okay, that is all. Bye for now.